So I thought Save the Bees Please would work perfect with the beverage program we try to do at Señor Bear. We focus on Latin American spirits, so sugarcane, agave, pisco primarily. I'm Keegan, Labrador, the bar manager here at Señor Bear. So the cocktail we made today is called Save the Bees Please. We split the base between Flor de Caña 7-year and the Flor de Caña 12-year. Made in Nicaragua. The family is a 5th generation rum producer. They started in the 19th century. They grow all their own sugarcane and produce everything under the shadow of the volcano locally. So with my cocktail, I wanted to make a drink that was important to our community. Honey and pollination is really important in Colorado, but also we do a lot of agave and sugarcane, and bees as pollinators and bats as pollinators is very important. Finished it off with some fennel pollen on top to help bring the aromatics together and just really drive home the pollination theme. This is Keegan, Labrador. Thank you for watching Cocktail Creators.